Good morning, class. I'll be your teacher today. My name is Lashelle, and welcome to Love.Dream.Create. Now, with a show of hands, who can tell me the definition of cross promotion? More importantly, when it comes to social media. Today, we are going to go over how to cross promote on your social media sites using Linktree. I was captivated to make this special episode today. There's so many influencers that I follow, models, actors, singers, and I noticed they have a lot of followers on their social media. They're doing their thing when it comes to taking pictures and a few brand deals, but under their bio, they do not have a link linking up other different social media sites that they have. Rule number one: different people hang out on different social media sites. Some people hang out on Snapchat. Some people hang out mostly on YouTube, on Twitch, on LinkedIn, on Twitter, what have you. So you want to make sure that you give people all of your information and have a link tree displaying all of your different sites, so your other site where they mainly hang out is one click away. Plus, if you're a dancer, you might have your own website, or an actor or a model. So you could put your website on Linktree, which will go in your bio and Instagram. Or you might have your own Spotify. That is hot for singers and artists out there. You want to get your music out. So you want to put a link to your Spotify on your Linktree. So when people see your Linktree, basically on Instagram, but you could put it on your other sites where they hang out and where they can shop, buy, listen to your music, see your other work, see your other paintings, portraits. You get my drift. Before I show you the ins and outs of Linktree, don't forget to subscribe. By subscribing, this helps my content get out to more people who can really benefit from all the tips that I give. And if you hit that bell, you will be notified of weekly episodes that are coming your way. So, are you ready? Okay, come follow me into my phone.
Hello everybody, you're in my phone. So now if you want to go to Linktree, I have already designated a username and password. So you'll want to do that. Set up a profile. It's very easy. So since I've been on here, here are new updates. They have updates. So you always want to allow them to email you new updates and just different ways on how you could enhance your brand, engage in the audience, and just new features that they add on. So now we are on the main page, and this is where you are going to add all of your links. Really quick for a recap. Up above, it will have your link that you will copy and paste and put on your Instagram and other social media sites. Then you have appearance. Now this is the really fun area, because this is where you can change the appearance as it appears when you click the link in your bio in Instagram. You could even put a picture and then all the links will appear. So this is just wonderful. It's so much to go through, and this is all free. So I'll use this for now. And right up above, as you see, I have my profile picture, and you can always pick an image or remove, and then a little bio about yourself. And then you have your settings. And then this just goes on forever. So all of this information is at your fingertips. However, I'm going to show you how to add a link. So we're going back to links. And I do not have my Twitter. So what you do is you click add new link. And then you want to copy and paste your Twitter handle. I'm going to go to my Twitter real quick. Please feel free to follow me on my Twitter. I have fun videos on here as well. Free plug. And then you can just click the little edit pen. Oops, autocorrect. And then the URL, copy and paste. Easy as that. Now here's the fun part. You can also put a picture. So you could upload your own, or Linktree has a ton of icons. See all of these free icons? So to get to it really quick, we'll just put in Twitter. Boom, we have the little birdie here. Now see how that looks? Doesn't that look nice? Okay, and then it is all set. So now my page has a Twitter link. And then we're all set. So now what you want to do, we're going to go to my Instagram page. Feel free also to follow me on Instagram. I have two. This is my main one where it's most of my acting work and my improv work. I still put my video content, but this is my business account. That's a little bit more professional, a little bit more brandish, and this is for all my brands. So now we could click on that link tree to check our work, and there it is. I had a different background, but with you guys, I chose this one. Pretty nice, going with the green. I have my Twitter. I also have my portfolio website right up above, so I'm glad it's up there. Then my YouTube with all my videos, my LinkedIn, because again, this is a professional site, and TikTok. And you see all of those picture icons next to it. And I always check my work just to make sure it will generate, which it did. So I'm very, very happy. So I just went back, and you can upload your own picture too, which you can see under my portfolio website. I put my logo there. So we know that the work is all saved. Linktree is just wonderful. You can share that link again right up above, and then you click your edit profile, I'm sorry. And there's the Linktree right there. This is free, everyone. There is a pro. You can upgrade to pro if you like, but what I also like is the lifetime analytics, if you could see that right there. The lifetime analytics. It shows how many views, how many clicks I'm getting per Linktree. I have two Linktrees, one for my main Instagram, but one for as well. Now I don't have a pro, so it can't give me all the analytics, as you can see, but hey, at least it shows me how many times people are clicking on my link for my business. And this is 39 views, 23 clicks. So I really like those numbers. I'm really, really happy. And if you go over here, you can always edit your account, appearance, settings. It kind of goes over the same links. Reset your password. It's so easy to change if you lose your password, like some people do. So that's what I wanted to show you about the fun world of Linktree. Go in, do a deep dive, commit an hour to just going in here and seeing how it works. And again, down here, you can do a preview. Boom, it's right there. So I encourage you, if you are a influencer, you have your own brand, you sell lotions and soaps, wardrobe, fashion, hair, you're a model, Some of my models, you guys have modeling websites, your own website, or you're on a model mayhem. You could put that in there, or your agency might have a link to your information. Put your agency information here and make sure that it's up top. Alrighty? Got it? Comment down below.
If you want to pass this quiz and if you want to pass this test and be the ace, don't forget to click the like button down under. By clicking like, this shows me that you like this content and I can produce other content just like this. In fact, feel free to comment down below on what you would like to hear me talk about next. I hope you liked today's segment on how to use Linktree. Right now, you are seeing a video that I created on using Zoom, how to prepare, and trendy tips and hacks on how to be the top 10% at your auditions or business interviews. Until then,